You may have sufficient plans in place to secure the premises. You would have installed the equipment to monitor any movement, to use in case of fire, to carry out surveillance, and to detect intrusions. Some of the things you may use only when a situation arises, and some you may use continuously. You need to ensure that people who must use it when required are also conversant with the use of the equipment and with the procedures. You can test the procedures and equipment by creating scenarios in a limited sense or by carrying out what we call mock drills.
And you should carry out an emergency mock drill. It's a great idea. To do this, you need to craft a plan with the help of a team and then test it out. The drills should be carried out at least once a year, and the entire program should be continually updated and improved. The tests and drills prepare your employees for any future event. These tests and drills also point us to gaps in the existing setup and allow us to fix them if necessary.
That's